Hey, yo.
What's up, players? What they do? My name is Kesey, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, y'all. So, in today's video, I am giving y'all a simple makeup look. I explained everything in the video, but I will say it one more time. I am not a professional, so no, I don't know everything that I'm doing, but I'm gonna do it. And it's working for me. If you have tips, drop them below, but don't be a negative Nancy if I'm doing something wrong, Enjoy. Before we get started, it's two things I need y'all to know. One, I am not a professional. Like, I rarely ever even do my makeup. I do it sometimes. I mostly be natural, as y'all can see in previous videos. But when I don't pay to get it done, I have a little bit. That be me. I can do a little one too, but I'm not a professional, so don't take this as law, okay? I just had to get that out of the way because I just be doing shit sometimes. And you know what? I think I'm gonna take my time today because today this is gonna turn out really good. I'm gonna take my time, so this is gonna be the only time I really talk because I need to watch something or like listen to music while I'm doing this. So I'm just gonna do a voiceover. Let's get into it. I'm kind of nervous because so the last time I did my makeup and I like did the little fox eye, I think that's what it's called. When I did that, like I think I did a really good job and I didn't use any foundation. And that's my issue. I think I don't really know my shade and foundation, so sometimes that's what be fucking it up for me. Now today, I don't know if I'm gonna use foundation just because last time I did my makeup, I didn't use any and that was like literally, I can't talk. That was literally like the best makeup look I've ever done in life. So first things first, hydrate them lips. So I just went in with some Blistex chapstick and a little Jisoo lip oil. I need to reopen this. Alright, so next we're gonna go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Put that all over your face. And then I'm gonna prep my eyebrows with this lock gel. It's really light. And I used to use just regular edge control, but y'all see how I hold it down? My mama got locks, so she put me onto this, but I like to use it on my eyebrows. It don't be, as greasy, but you only need a little bit. I'm about to show y'all just how much. Take my little spoolie, and that's it right there. I like to brush my brows up in like a upward motion, and then close to the tail end and kind of slanted like down, kind of. Yeah, I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see a little bit better, but up and then close to the tail, like a little down. And then I just wipe off the excess. Alright, so next we're gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. I like to add just a little bit of water, about that much, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna take my brush. I like to put a lot of product on both sides of the brush. Then I just take like a napkin or some tissue and like press it against the brush just to kind of thin it out so that I'll have like a sharp line when I'm putting on my brows. I start off outlining the bottom of my brow. I never start right at the beginning because I don't want that to be too harsh. But yeah, outline the bottom and then a little bit of the top. And again, don't start right at the beginning because you don't want it to be too harsh. I had to get back used to using this because I be using the Benefits Precisely My Brow Pencil, but yeah, that baby was on its last leg, so I had to make it do what it do. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. Every time I do my brows with this dip brow, I initially hate it. And that's how I was feeling right here. It was just giving the brows are cousins. They're not really sisters, but I'm gonna try to make some shake. Alright, so next we're gonna go in with the concealer. So I use the LA Pro Conceal and then the Born This Way by Too Faced. So I use both of them, but we're gonna start off with the LA Pro Conceal. So I believe this one is Fawn. I typically use either Fawn or Chestnut for the bottom. And then I squeeze a little in the top and just like thin it out just so that line can be really sharp on the bottom. Yeah, because I'm going to use this little applicator. I don't really use a brush like that. Sometimes I do, but it doesn't get as thin as this, So I'm going to go in outlining the bottom of my brows. I do take my time with this. This is a little spit up, but take your time. I typically outline both of the bottom brows and then just let them dry down a little bit. This point I can see that they being redeemed as sisters. And then I'm gonna do the top. So this is where I go in with espresso. So I like to do, yeah, chestnut or fawn on the bottom and then espresso on the top. It's a little bit darker. I let it dry down a little bit with my fan. And then it just depends on how sharp I want the brows to look. Sometimes I'll leave it alone right there, but I kind of want it to look like I did my makeup. So I'll go over the espresso with the fawn. I'm sorry, with the chestnut. So the bottom is fawn and then the top is espresso and chestnut. Alright, so after letting that dry down a little bit, I'm gonna go in with my blending brush and just blend that all out. Then I may go back in with the dip brow just to make it a little sharper. Alright, so I'm satisfied with the brows, and at this point I done decided we ain't doing no foundation. So I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It's in the color chestnut. And yeah, I'm just gonna I'm weak because what am I doing, you know? Yeah, it starts off on my nose and then I go all under my eye. Essentially where you would put foundation. Cause you know, looking over this now, it's really giving that this is my shade in foundation, but it's just concealer, you know. But anyways. So in real time, this is when I realized that the Too Faced Chestnut was about my shade. So I just went over it with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Chestnut because it's a little lighter. And I let that dry down a little bit. Now here's where it gets sticky. So I went in with the Match Stick by Fenty Beauty. It's in the color Truffle. Yeah, I'm not great at the contour thing. I ain't even gonna cap, but I tried, you know, just outlined the parts that needed it. I kind of outlined my whole face. I used to do like a little, I'll show y'all a picture, I'll insert it right here. This is what I used to do. Just follow the little diagrams or whatever, but yeah, I try my best. I feel like I do all right on my face. It's the nose that I cannot contour for some reason. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out the concealer. I gotta get into these angles, make sure everything is good. And next we're gonna go in with the Airspun translucent powder. And I take a little brush and I just, you know, dip off the excess. I don't like to do it too much because, you know, it can get sticky. I be looking ghostly sometimes. So I try to, you know, just get a little bit and I pat it all the way in because I just don't have time. Every time I really try to go heavy, it just never turns out right. And it be giving Casper. But yeah, I'm just going to take a little bit, pat it in, brush it out, and yeah. Alright y'all, so next up I'm gonna go in with some bronzer in the shade Mocha Mommy from Fenty Beauty. I love, 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 love this stuff. I just take a blush brush and pretty much go all over my face, more so where I did the contour. Yeah. I skipped a few steps here. I wanted to see what the blush would look like against my skin, so I just did a few swatches. This is a palette from e.l.f. I have no idea what it's called. I've had this for like a good 10 years, like a very long time, but yeah. I decided to go with the one on the bottom right. So we're back on the contour. This is a contour palette from I think it's called Black Radiance, something like that. And yeah, I'm just gonna go in with this darker shade on my nose because y'all know I said it gets sticky. I have no idea how to do it for real. I try my best. Alright y'all, so next up is the lips. Y'all seen me line my lips before though, so I'm just gonna speed this part up. If you need a refresher though, here's the video. You're welcome. So back to this blush y'all. I just smile and put it on the apples of my cheeks and that's it, that's all. So I'm at this part. I think I loved it when the sun was still out, but it's like it's 7:41, so the sun is clearly going down, and I feel like I don't love it. Maybe because I need to like my spritz is in there. My spritz, my setting spray is in there. So I'm gonna do the setting spray, and then I'm gonna put on my wig, and then we'll see. I do have to finish my lip, but all I'm doing is like adding a lipstick and a gloss. I'm just gonna use the Fenty Gloss Bomb. It's the Fenty Glow. I don't think you can see it. It's trying to focus on my face. Fuck it, it's the Fenty Glow. That's what this one is. Anyways, though, I'm also gonna put on my lashes. I don't think I'm gonna do this on camera because I'm not really great at the lashes. It's probably gonna take me a few times. I'll be using this Duo glue. And I honestly don't know which lashes I want to put on. So I've been doing like more natural looking lashes lately. These are more dramatic. I'm just gonna see with the wig. So I think I'm gonna put the wig on first and then the lashes, because then I can see, you know, which one looks better. Anyways, I'm finna go finish up. I mean, this is mostly done. I feel like I need to like, because I can't really see, and I don't, like the mirror is way over there. So it's like I keep looking at my laptop to see what I look like and stuff. And I need to blend my nose a little bit better. But that's all I'm gonna do. Blend the nose a little bit better. Put on some setting spray. And then I'm gonna put on my lashes. And that's gonna be it. I'll be right back, y'all. I had to just pack up my little makeup bag. I just don't like clutter, and it's a fucking mess right here right now. Okay, y'all, I'm out back so y'all can see this. I really hate being in the backyard. This shit is creepy as fuck because it's just forest. You feel me? So I came out here to show y'all this stuff. I need to get me some eyeliner because I did my eyes, like it's just a glue, the Duo glue. That's what I lined my eyes with, the top. I lined the top with the glue. I did the bottom with a pencil, but I be forgetting that it's a glue because it be sticky as shit. But this is the finished product, you guys. Just a calm, everyday look. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I bet you wish that I was still right there. Used to live right there.